Hello friends, today we'll learn how to create our own AI which will work locally so that we don't require any open AI API to enter and we can use limitless as much as we want. So let's start on that. Just open ollama.com. Here you will find download button. So basically here we are trying to download is Ollama model in our local machine. So my machine is a Windows supported. So I will just click on the Windows and I will download it for Windows. Also remember Windows 10 or later version are required to download this. Once you click on download, so it will download in your machines. Remember that it is a 600 plus MB software. So make sure you have enough internet. Once you have download, so you need to create your projects. So I have created project in Node.js. So in Node.js I have used services from Ollama, and I have also created a basic project structure for the Node.js. Here you can see I have a Node.js backend project running here. So just open this project in our command prompt and run the Ollama in our local so that we can ask Ollama anything and that will answer us. Remember, for that we also required a front end, or we also can use Postman. So I have also created a front end using White and React. So I will demonstrate on that as well. So first start our server. So we can see that our server is starting on localhost 5000. Now we are opening our front end. So I have created already a front end using White plus React. So here I have created chatbot. Let's see here. So this is the front end version of our application where we will ask anything. So I have named it ask me anything. Later I will change it. So it is connected to our local server. I will also demonstrate how it will connect with. So first ask any question to see the demos. Let's Here I have created a front end using White plus React. You can see I have created a small chatbot which will respond our queries from the backend server. So backend is our chatbot which we have created. So let's ask anything. First, let's try hi. You can see the backend process is happening and it will generate an answer. We are using our local machine, so maybe response takes some time, but definitely there will be limitless requests you can send from this front end. So we got the response. Yeah, it is asking like hello, how can I help you today, and if you have any question you need assistance, feel free to ask. So we can ask question like we ask in other chatbots, like others AI application, OpenAI, chat GPT or Gemini. So we can ask similar question like that. So just ask any question for coding related. Let give me a function to find odd and even numbers in JavaScript. Let's wait for it. Meanwhile, we can check this in backend. So you can see that we have asked two questions. First one is hi, and second one is give me a function to find odd and even. So we can see that requests are coming in our local server, and the local server has our own Ollama 3 model which will respond. So we can see the answer here. Yeah. So it has provided a answer with proper functions which we need in JavaScript. So that is the demo for the our own AI which we can create locally and run. And also there are no limit, as much as we want we can like ask any questions, so and it will respond based on that. Let me also show you the backend how it's happening and where the request is going on in the network tab. So just ask any question. So I have just asked a question and we'll see where request is going. So let's open headers. We can see that headers is requesting URL for localhost 5000 and API slash ask endpoint. So that is the demo on creating our own AI in our local server. So if you need any more information, you can ask in the comment sections. Thank you so much.